नमस्कार मित्रांनो, माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनलमध्ये आपले मनापासून स्वागत. आम्हाला प्रोत्साहन देण्यासाठी सबस्क्राइब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राइब करून आम्हाला मदत करा. म्हणजे आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन येऊ जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज. तसेच आमच्या नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळण्यासाठी घंटीच्या चित्रावर क्लिक करा.
Lesson number 6, Classification of plants. Important topics in this lesson: Kingdom Plant A. Subkingdom, Gymnosperms. Subkingdom, Angiosperms. Dear friends, now question number 1. Match the proper terms from columns A and C with the description in column B. Answers: Angiosperms seeds are formed in fruits tamarind. Gymnosperms no natural covering on seeds cycas. Thallophyta these plants mainly grow in water, algae. Bryophyta these plants need water for reproduction. Moss. Pteridophyta tissues are present for conduction of water and food. Fern. Answer the following questions in your own words. A. Write the characteristics of subkingdom Phanerogams. 1. Subkingdom Phanerogams are seed-bearing plants. 2. Seeds of these are naturally covered by fruits or not. 3. Depending upon whether seeds are enclosed in a fruit or not, Phanerogams are classified into Gymnosperms and Angiosperms. 4. Gymnosperms are mostly evergreen, perennial and woody. Their stems are without branches. Seeds of these plants do not have natural coverings. 5. While the seeds of Angiosperms are covered. B. Distinguish between monocots and dicots. Answers: Monocots. Dicots. It contains only one cotyledon. It contains two cotyledons. Its stem is soft. Its stem is hard. It has fibrous roots. It has well-developed primary roots, tap roots. Flowers with 3 parts or in multiples of 3. Flowers are with 4 or 5 parts or in their multiples. Its leaves are parallel venation. Leaves are with reticulate venation. C. Write a paragraph in your own words about the ornamental plants called ferns. Answer: Ornamental plants called fern belongs to 3rd division Pteridophyta. This type of plants show root, stem, leaves and separate tissue for conducting water and food. These plants do not produce flower or seed. These plants are reproduced by spores. Reproduction in these is done by 2 types. 1. Asexual, it takes place by spore. 2. Sexual, zygote is involved in this type. D. Sketch, label and describe the Spirogyra. One. Spirogyra's body is unbranched and filamentous. 2. Plant body is long, slender and multicellular. 3. At the posterior end of the filament, there is a unicellular compressed part, called holdfast or hapteta, by which the plant body remains attached with any substratum. 4. Numerous elongated and identical cells are arranged vertically in the filamentous body. Question 4. Sketch and label the figures of the following plants and explain them into brief. Answer 1. Marchantia. 1. Marchantia belongs to Division 2, Bryophyta. These plants are found on moist soil or wet wall. 2. Stem of these plants are leaf-like. 3. These are called amphibians of plants. 4. True roots are absent in it. 5. Asexual production is found in these plants, which is done by spores. 6. They do not have specific tissues for conduction of food and water. 2. Funaria. 1. This belongs to Division 2, Bryophyta. These plants are found on moist wall and bricks. 2. Stem of these plants are leaf-like. 3. These are called amphibians of plants. 4. These plants have rhizoids. 5. Asexual production is found in these plants, which is done by spores. 6. These are mostly found in rainy season. 3. Fern. 1. Fern is non-flowering plant. 2. Ferns are found on soil. 3. These are ornamental plants. 4. It has root, stem, leaf. 5. Asexual production is found in these plants, which is done by spores. 4. Spirogyra. 1. Spirogyra belongs to Division 1, Phallophyta. 2. It is a non-flowering plant. 3. This group of plants, which do not have specific parts like root, stem, leaves, flowers. 4. These plants grow mainly in water. 5. These plants usually have a soft and fiber-like body. 6. These are autotrophic due to the presence of chlorophyll. Question 5. Collect a monocot and dicot plant available in your area. Observe the plants carefully and describe them in scientific language. A. Monocots. Answer. We find monocots like maize, jowar, wheat in our area. It contains only one cotton. Its stem is soft. It has fibrous roots, flowers with 3 parts or in multiples of 3. Its leaves are parallel venation. B. Dicot. We find dicots like beans, groundnut in our area. It contains 2 cotyledons. Its stem is hard. It has well-developed primary roots, taproots. Flowers are with 4 or 5 parts or in their multiples. Leaves are with reticulate venation. Question 6. Which criteria are used for the classification of plants? Explain with reasons. Answer. The presence or absence of organs is the first criterion for classification of plants. The presence or absence of separate conducting tissues for conduction of water and food. Whether the plants bear seeds or not. If they have seed, then whether the seeds are enclosed in a fruit or not is also an important criterion for classification. Finally, plants are grouped depending upon the number of cotyledons in the seeds, depending upon the absence or presence of flowers, fruits. These are the criterion for classification of plants.
आम्हाला प्रोत्साहन देण्यासाठी सबस्क्राइब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राइब करून आम्हाला मदत करा, म्हणजे आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन येऊ जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज. तसेच आमच्या नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळण्यासाठी घंटीच्या चित्रावर क्लिक करा.